But whatever, you know.
Okay. Is that normal fuzz?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you made it! You made it! Good!
That was...
Good. Now I'll give you directions. So basically you're heading east, away from the lake. So those are my power lines. Okay, and I'm going to set the timer.
15 minutes, I think.
Yep.
Those should be reasonable.
Okay.
Actually, let's do 10, because then I'll bring it in close, because
Okay.
the battery's out in the cold, so
Yep.
may not make it.
All right, 10-minute timer started.
Great.
And, okay, let's keep track of where you are then.
Yep,
All
right there. Oh, this is cool. Yeah.
Okay, and then I'll make sure this thing is pointed correctly. Oh, I see where you are now. Okay.
Straight in. More to the right there. There it is.
Yep. Lost it. There we go.
Oh, that's just... That's wise. Just do a little mock run into the...
Yeah, so what you'd look for is this little short little fence in front of the barn, which is right there.
Yeah.
And then, and at that point you want to be like almost no power, and then probably using your rudder to navigate into the door.
I see.
You can probably do it now if you...
Oh, because...
But yeah, you were on a good approach there.
Okay.
Luckily, there's a tennis court halfway, you know, into the riding arena.
Yep. I mean, worst comes worst, if I kind of pop into that, that's...
It's, yeah, this size of plane, almost anything is fine, it seems like it. So probably use your rudder, and then down, power down. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Good job.